Are hub-centric spaces better for Toyota? When shopping for Toyota with spaces, hub-centric sets are the priority. A hub-centric spaces come with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit your vehicle hub. Most modern car wheel hubs are the multi-layers, meaning a single-layer hub-centric ring may not fit perfectly. In this case, BONOSS Toyota with spaces are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The multi-layer design provides the ability to fit the corresponding hub spaces. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. As a reliable, precise hub-centric spaces manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. For connecting parts, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of tolerance reflects the precision. BONOSS Toyota hub-centric spaces are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gaps, ensuring a perfect installation.
As long as you use top quality
Toyota with spaces
and install them properly, everything is fine. Pushing your wheels outward also increases the track of your vehicle, hence strengthening the grip and the resistance to roll over. For the outlook, the wheels flash a fender, making your
Toyota
more aggressive and sporty.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS with spaces, please leave a comment. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.